My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, today the garage doors were installed. Again, modern floor plan, very different. Haven't really seen it in Columbia too much, but here it is. Went with the flat black with the lights on the side for both doors. Here's the second door, same thing with the side lights. Got the stone up, so everything looks really good. Here's a side view, make it better. So got the stone up. And then there'll be a light, long light there, like a 5-foot light there, a light in the middle, a 5-foot light there, and a 5-foot light along there. That modern touch, architectural features, very clean lines. Big goals, big dreams, baby. Woo!